So the part 2 for this dryer is that when I installed the new blower, this piece couldn't fit because the front of the blower is a little bit higher, but the another one, which it was made by LG Sapco, that one was way higher, so this would not fit in there. I did not put this one on, but the dryer is still running perfectly fine. I retighted it really good, so if I don't have this, it's not gonna bother. And the very important part about this dryer is that this dryer doesn't open from the back. You're gonna open one screw from here, and then there's tabs. See, there's tabs on the console, and then it lifts up. After I screw this one goes. It's running smoothly, perfectly fine. No noise, nothing.